Hello and welcome to Fresh from the Fridge. So here we are in our fridge in the Lewis Ambleside with our new delivery, and I'm just going to walk you around so that you know what we've got available this week. We've got our gypsophilia, we've got beautiful hydrangeas there, a lovely two-tone, love them, they've got a pink tinge to them. We've got some bluebells there, the scilla, Lysianthus, September. We've got chrysanthemums. Look at these delphiniums, look at those beauties over there, gorgeous. We have more hydrangeas there, and as we go around, there's not a great deal in this week because it's our first one straight after the opening after COVID, so there's not a lot, not a great deal. I don't know how busy we're going to be, but at least we've got some things to sell. Sunflowers, can't go wrong with sunflower. The sunflower makes everybody happy. You can't help but smile at the sunflower. And then we've got some more delphiniums there. We've got these colours here, this colour, particular blue one, ready for VE Day on Friday because we want to do a lovely arrangement to celebrate VE Day with the blue delphiniums. We've got some white spray roses up there. Very pretty. So a nice selection. Just not a great deal, not this week. But hopefully from here on in there'll be a lot more. And yeah, I've sourced some different places to get English flowers from, so we'll have an English flower every week arrangement or something. So yeah, exciting times ahead. Got some new things coming. So each week there'll be one of these videos for you to have a peruse around our fridge, and I'm going to call it Fresh from the Fridge.